Did you know? In some families, when a baby has hiccups, a small red thread is placed on the baby's forehead. The baby looks up at it. And sometimes, the hiccups stop. Why can this work? Hiccups happen because the diaphragm, the muscle used for breathing, makes small spasms. Bright colors like red quickly catch the brain's attention. When the baby looks up, their focus and breathing change. This gentle distraction helps the body relax and the diaphragm can calm down. The brain notices bright colors faster because they often mean something important. Important note: this is not a medical treatment, just a gentle and harmless tip. Baby hiccups are normal and usually harmless. If hiccups last a long time or worry you, always ask a doctor. Sometimes, calming the brain helps calm the body.